There is a general requirement of 1 lift supervisor, 1 slinger signaller and 1 operative. A crane lift plan designed by an appointed person plus a mobile crane to install the bridge stated on the lift plan. Trench crossing units will typically arrive to site without parapets fitted. Connect 4 leg lifting chain slings to the 4 designated lifting points and secure a guideline to the end of the trench crossing unit. Lift the first unit from the delivery vehicle and place onto firm and level ground. Disconnect the lifting chain slings and make sure that each lifting ring falls back below the deck of the unit. Now repeat for the remaining units until all have been offloaded. Once units are offloaded, install parapets, if required. Start with the central piece first and fix in place with nuts and bolts. Once the central piece is positioned and connected, continue with installing both the left and right parapets. Connect 4 leg lifting chain slings to the 4 designated lifting points and secure a guideline to the end of the unit to assist the lifting procedure. Next, crane the fully assembled unit into position onto the previously prepared foundation. Once in position, remove the lifting chains and repeat until all the remaining units are installed. To ensure units are prevented from moving, install adequate holding down fixings in the locating holes on each end of the unit. This video is to be viewed in conjunction with the detailed written user guide